Hello guys, welcome to back to my GPT next video. Is very running interesting video. Next website discuss GPT Banti campaign sponsored by Formula Banti set. To participate, you need a BSC wallet, no KYC, Banti poll, 24 tokens. Same links, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, blog, YouTube, and social media links workings project. GPT tokens, OS GPT uh, compresses extra team for enhanced agreement, adoptions and collaboration. GPT is ingrested to bridge the exciting divide between the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency ecosystem at the broader digital community. GPT about uh, project and YouTube video and many informations knowledge. GPT frequently asked questions. You can find all the digital you want to know about the GPT. What is sentiment protocol? What is X-RAID? What is Intel networking hub? What is what is what is Betel pass and spent? What is the wall moderations cable? What is does the this want any place of activity? Team and advisor. Team and advisor is very hard positions and many other information all time the project about uh, Nikita K in CEO a founder Victor L CTO and CEO founder Atozem L Coco and co-founder Anton S CMO uh, Albenazi art director GPT project and any information and any other person handling project GPT and a hard handling project certify CDA meaning mind TTC hand was to get a listed file in the form to list great list lead legend complaint today marketing department marketing department business proposal sheet map white paper telegram guides discord guide for user for customer blog sheet map all future defi quantum network listing team functional language membership plus apps, and many other GPT project and social media, LinkedIn, social media link, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, Discord.